Yes, it's happening at last. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What is the most recent news on Shiba Inu coins? And what impact will all of this have on Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the chart and see how the price of Shiba is moving on March 26. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 1460 units. Shiba's price has increased by 7% during the last day, and $531 million has been traded in the previous 24 hours. The token is now the 20th highest valued cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of around $8.6 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Let's move on to the video for today. The community is surprised by the 5.5 trillion Shiba Inu surge. Shiba Inu had its largest outflow of significant holders in over a month on March 20th, at 5.54 trillion Shiba. It's possible that major market players were repositioning themselves strategically during the time of this unusual activity, when SHIB was trading at about 1,300 units. From a technical standpoint, SHIB is attempting to stabilize after a lengthy fall that began in early February. The asset is presently trading at 1,310 units, up around 1.62% for the day after making a minor comeback from a local support area around 1,220 units. The 150-day moving averages are still sloping downward, putting pressure on price movement and suggesting a lingering pessimism. However, a break above the falling trend line and the regaining of the 1,420 units level might signal a short-term turnaround. Volume is currently modest, allowing for potential upward trend should momentum improve, even if RSI measurements are just under neutral, suggesting weak bullish confidence. On-chain dynamics show a development that is worth monitoring. Despite a 68.33% decline in 30-day outflows, the most recent 7-day shift shows a significant 49.55% surge, mostly from the March 20 jump. The likelihood of acquisition by large wallets or intentional reallocation to cold storage, both of which often precede bullish sentiment, is increased by this abrupt withdrawal. The coins may not have been traded on exchanges, as shown by the reality that the outflow did not instantly cause a price surge. Instead, SHIB's consolidation at multi-month lows raises the possibility of a long-term shift in whale stance, which would be in line with the general market's caution. Whale action and the solid support around 1,220 units imply that SHIB could be approaching a critical pivot zone despite the price structure's continued fragility. A short relief rally towards the 100-day MA zone, which is situated at around 1,600 units, might be initiated by any volume-confirmed break over the resistance. Until then, traders should be alert since further noteworthy wallet moves and price responses will likely decide the next phase of SHIB's marketplace trajectory. If you are still watching, please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything and goes a long way towards supporting the channel. To learn about the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin, however, stay watching. How much does SHIB cost? Shiba Inu's success is undeniable if its market capitalization is equivalent to Dogecoin. After its August 2020 debut, the cryptocurrency with a dog motif swept the sector. The price of SHIB surged during the bull run in 2021. In October 2021, the asset's price reached a record high of 8616 units after rising by several million %. Since its high in 2021, SHIB has had difficulty regaining the same velocity. The asset has continued to attract investors and enthusiasts in spite of its poor performance. How much does a Shiba Inu cost? If its market value is the same as Dogecoin's market value is close to $26 billion. Assume that SHIB's circulation supply stays at $589 trillion, while its market capitalization reaches $26 billion. Each SHIB coin will cost 4410 units in such a situation. If SHIB reaches 4410 units, its price will increase by 236%. Though praiseworthy, the rally falls well short of SHIB's 2021 rally. Each token will cost more than 4110 units if the amount of Shiba Inu in circulation declines. Can the supply of the asset decline? Vitalik Buterin's big token burn was one of the most important triggers for SHIB's amazing 2021 surge. Half of SHIB's supply was given to the Ethereum co-founder upon launch. Buterin made the decision to give the remaining tokens to charity and burn the remaining 90%. His efforts caused a significant decrease in supply at a period of strong demand, which resulted in a sharp increase in price. According to reports, the Shiba Inu team is developing a novel burn mechanism. Trillions of tokens are said to be burned annually by the new burn process. The endeavor may result in a significant increase in the asset's value if it is effective. More information on the burn mechanism has not yet been released by the researchers. Additionally, we do not yet have a date for the burn mechanism's deployment. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. The price of SHIB is predicted by AI for March 31, 2020. For many investors, Shiba Inu has recently emerged as one of the most popular cryptocurrency tokens to investigate. Although the token has recently adjusted to a slower price rate, this does not change the fact that it is a long-term investment. SHIB is eager to reach new highs and is getting ready to enter a comparable pricing posture in order to do so, even in the face of low price pressure. By March 31, 2025 at the latest, will SHIB be able to do some amazing feats? Let's investigate. Token technical analysis by Coin Codex. When Bitcoin reaches new price peaks, SHIB, which is now moving at a neutral pace, will be able to see the price more clearly. According to CC, by March 31, 2025, the token's price may rise to 1891 units. By April 22, 2025, SHIB could have stabilized and was trading at around 1263 units. The following is the comprehensive examination of the Coin Codex. Our latest Shiba Inu price forecast indicates that by April 20, 2025, the value of Shiba Inu will have dropped by 2.04% to 1263 units. The Fear and Greed Index is at 30, and the attitude is now negative based on our technical indicators. Over the last 30 days, Shiba Inu has had 14 of 30 green days and 7.65% price volatility. The Shiba Inu prediction indicates that now is not a good time to purchase SHIB. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu creators and the practical usefulness of SHIB, many of our subscribers indicate that they will hang on to millions of SHIB and not sell them for the next 5 years. What number do you people have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB assets in the space provided for comments below. We should commend the SHIB holder for having faith in the process. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you are informed each time we upload a new video.